Welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you're visiting, thank you so much. Don't forget to smash that button, subscribe, like, and share this video. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. It's a very cold day. It's winter, Minnesota, St. Paul, and just driving. As you can see, looks pretty nice out there because the snow. Hopefully you're doing well, and join me here on my short ride, driving around. Going to an African store to do some groceries over there. The streets are icy. There's a train to my left. I have a steakhouse over there. I've been there before. Pretty nice food. Small local shop. I'll show you in a moment here. The store I'm going to is called Ashama. Right there. It's a Somali store, but they sell African stuff. There, Ashama. Alright, thank you for joining me on this short video. We'll see you on the next video. Peace out.